So, installed this rough country hitch tonight on the Badlands, and it is such a tight squeeze. I had Jennifer come out here and help me because we couldn't really get our fingers up in here, or at least I couldn't. She could. Trying to get out back here where you can see this thing. Oh my God, those bolts, or the little nuts on those big ass bolts. There's 4 of them. I didn't want to take the bumper off, so I was determined to do it. So we basically had to line them up before we put the bolts through, and it was a pain in the ass. But yeah, this is it. I don't know if you can see it. There's 4 bolts up there. It's freaking heavy duty. I know that. That thing is a beast. So it was quite the workout. I'm not gonna lie, because it's such a tight space. I'm assuming most people take the bumper off to do that. But my God, I did not want to take the bumper off, so we worked around it. Made it happen. Luckily, I had the right tools. Like ratcheting wrenches and shit like that. Let me come over on this side, because this side was even tighter. Yeah, so as you can see, there's hardly any space in there. Especially that first one is hitting a little piece of metal almost. But that's it. So now I can get a bike rack on this thing. So I only have one thing left to put on this, the Sasquatch tires. And I will have the Bronco that I wanted. Alright, y'all. Let me get up here, close it. See what it looks like back here. There we go. Yeah, actually looks nice. But man, that thing is freaking heavy duty. So happy to have that on. Hook the bike rack up now. Alright, holla later.